Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Renault 1.0 Tce engine, primarily identified by the H4DT and H5DT codes, is a compact 1.0-liter, three-cylinder turbocharged gasoline engine. It's a key part of the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance's engine range and is found in various models like the Dacia Logan, Duster, Renault Clio, and Captur. Here's a breakdown of its characteristics. History and versions. The Tce 100 engine, a common variant of the 1.0 Tce, was introduced around 2019, replacing the Tce 90. It benefits from technology shared within the Alliance, including a turbocharger with an electrically operated discharge valve, an exhaust manifold partially integrated into the cylinder head, twin variable valve timing control, and a special steel coating on the cylinders, bore spray coating. H4DT. This code typically refers to the 100 HP version, often found in models that can run on LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, due to its indirect injection system and specific cylinder head design, e.g. sklanky or tappets, and one variator. H5DT. This code generally corresponds to the 110 HP version, which is primarily gasoline only. It features direct injection, two variators, and roller followers in the timing system. Review and opinions. Performance. Generally, the 1.0 Tce is praised for its improved power, 100 HP to 110 HP, and torque, 160 Nm, compared to its predecessor, Tce 90. This results in better driving pleasure, especially with increased torque at low engine speeds for exhilarating acceleration. It's considered suitable for city driving. Efficiency. Renault highlights the engine's ability to reduce both fuel consumption and CO2 emissions, with some versions achieving emissions as low as 100 g/km. LPG compatibility. H4DT. The H4DT variant is designed to be compatible with LPG, offering a potentially more economical fuel option for some users. Advantages. Compact and lightweight. Its small size and three-cylinder configuration contribute to vehicle agility and potentially lower manufacturing costs. Good low-end torque. The turbocharger helps provide a good pull from lower RPMs, making it responsive in urban environments. Fuel efficiency. Designed with efficiency in mind, it generally offers competitive fuel consumption figures. LPG option. H4DT. The availability of a factory-fitted LPG option for the H4DT is a significant advantage for those seeking lower running costs. Modern technology. Features like variable valve timing and bore spray coating contribute to its performance and efficiency. Disadvantages. Three-cylinder vibrations. Like many three-cylinder engines, some users might notice characteristic vibrations, especially at certain RPMs. Potential reliability concerns. There have been reports of recurring issues with Tce engines in general, though it's important to note that specific models and production years may vary in reliability. Some users have reported premature wear of engine components and turbocharger failures. Complexity. The presence of a turbocharger and variable valve timing means more components that could potentially fail compared to a simpler naturally aspirated engine. Common faults and breakdowns. Turbocharger issues. Some owners have reported problems with the turbocharger, including turcoxische Sauerspustui, rattling wastegate valve, which sometimes necessitates software updates or even turbo replacement or warranty. Oil leaks. Oil leaks from the engine, often attributed to faulty gaskets or seals, have been reported. Engine misfiring or stalling. Issues with ignition coils, spark plugs, or fuel injectors can lead to these problems. Sensory malfunctions. Malfunctions in various sensors, oxygen sensor, throttle position sensor, crankshaft sensor, can cause performance issues and warning lights. Water pump failure. At least one report mentions a water pump failure at around 60,000 kilometers, replaced under warranty. Gas sensor issues. LPG versions and LPG variants. Some users reported issues with a factory-fitted gas sensor needing replacement or software updates. Valve adjustment. H4DT versus H5DT, there's a distinction in valve adjustment. The H4DT indirect injection, often LPG, typically uses tappets, sklanky, which may require periodic adjustment, while the H5DT, direct injection, might use roller followers that are generally self-adjusting. This can be a maintenance consideration. Fuel consumption. Official combined fuel consumption figures for the 1.0 Tce 100 HP are around 4.7 L/100 km in EDC. Real-world consumption can vary, but users on forums report figures in the range of 5 to 7 L/100 km, depending on driving style and conditions. For example, a Renault Clio 1.0 Tce in 10s, 91 PS. Owner reported an average of 5.66 L/100 km over nearly 46,000 kilometers. Timing. The Renault 1.0 Tce H4D/H5DT engines use a timing chain rather than a belt. This generally means a longer service interval for this component compared to a timing belt, potentially lasting the lifetime of the engine under normal circumstances. However, timing chains can still wear out and require replacement, especially if oil changes are neglected or low-quality oil is used. Oil type. Renault typically recommends engine oils conforming to Renault RN17 or Renault RN17 FE specifications. These usually correspond to ACSC 3 for RN17 or ACSC 5 for RN17 FE, and often have a viscosity of 5W, 30, or 0W, 20. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise recommended oil type and specifications, as this can vary slightly by specific engine variant and model year. Oil capacity. For the H4D engine, the oil capacity is typically between 3.7 to 4.2 liters. Again, verify the exact capacity in your car's manual. Overall, the Renault 1.0 Tce H4DT/H5DT is a modern, compact, and generally efficient engine suitable for city and mixed driving. While it offers good performance for its size, and the H4DT variant provides the benefit of LPG compatibility, potential buyers should be aware of reported reliability concerns, particularly regarding turbocharger and oil leak issues, and consider the importance of regular and proper maintenance with the correct oil. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.